Hey everybody, Dr. Shikari here, Community Spine Neurosurgery Institute, drshikari.com. What do we have here? This is a exciting new device we're going to start implementing in my practice here. I'm doing a little unboxing for everybody. This is of course a model, not the real deal, but what you see here is an endoscope. This little device allows us to see directly on a screen what's going on where the tip of this endoscope is lying on the spine. You can see it's got a couple of ports through which we can insert different devices to help us with the surgery. And this allows us to do just about the least invasive surgery possible through the endoscope, through an incision no wider than a pencil really. And what we use it for is to dock right on the foramen of the nerve, right behind the nerve root, to take out a disc fragment or stenosis. Very exciting stuff. I hope it helps people. Have a good day.